Welcome back, guys, to another video. Alright, guys.
That's crazy.
Welcome back to another video, guys.
Shouldn't be taking that out anymore. She's over 18.
Guys, welcome back to another video, guys. Soon we are going on vacation. So, like I guys showed in the last video. Actually, no, I haven't did another video. I started out with this. Whenever I had enough. Look, I did that much now. I skipped this one, went on to this one, then I went to this one, then I made by that one. I don't have enough of that. I don't have enough. Nope. Can't. Nope. Alright.
Last week's paycheck.
So I'm going to buy.
I don't pay no. That's over $300. That's over $400 a month.
Yes.
Right there. She's over 18. So how are they taking it? They don't have the right to take it anymore.
I'm gonna write
Lady
this.
told me I was done when she was 18. I owe a rear.
Free mode.
$77 a month.
So this is new. As a pretty much a good
Where's 92 come
acceleration.
Of one check.
Acceleration. Alright. Woo! Alright. Oh darn it. Oh crap. Come on. Oh darn it.
20 years. I thought they were done. I don't understand that.
Woo!
Last week's paycheck. Something ain't looking right.
I just changed my camera mode.
See that child support at the bottom? I'm not allowed to take that. I'm on him.
Boom.
Right. I'll check the money. One check.
Over in the desert. Wow.
Might have been $77.
Did it?
Can't believe what I'm seeing.
Alright.
That's crazy.
Try to guys.
That's $400 a month. Not my money. That probably told me anything about it. I didn't say a word to me. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Listen, guys.
Look. That's what it was done to your feet.
What? What?
Not but I just read on that stuff. My check should have been well over 7, which it would have been. That's crazy.
Look at this, guys. Whoa, darn it. That's
What's up, baby? That's got me rattled. You ever got the house getting child support taken out? She's 20 years old. December 1st, 1998 to the bank. That's crazy.
I'm posting video, but sure. Yeah. Whoa. Guys, I just saw something. You can go in the plane, guys. You can go in the plane. On the darn plane. Oh. Can't. Oh, yes, you can. No, you don't. Oh, crap. What? Oh, crap.
No.
Darn it. Go to a different bike. Actually, this. You know what? We can do a few more minutes. Alright. Alright.
Name is David Stevenson. Stevenson.
I don't think I can.
S-T-W-E-N-S-E-N.
So I'm saving up for this one and this one. And that one.
I already gave the social one for 220-04752.
Alright, guys. We can only do like 1 minute of this bike, guys, because
A lot of birds.
it won't load. So,
Jennifer Bernstein.
alright.
256.
No, crap.
11573. Lady Smith Road. Woodford, Virginia. 32580. Up north. I don't know. 16 left that. One five one 15176. Cave Road, Woodford, Virginia.
like button, hit the notification button, and I'll see you next time. Bye!